Someone put the tires back in drive, and if they don't, then I just might lose what's left of my never loving mind and damn me down to my last dime. I'm pretty good at breaking down a heart, but picking up the pieces is the hard part. She's searching for someone who's gonna build it back, but I ain't got a guy for that. Ain't got a guy for that. Ain't got a guy for that. Ain't got a guy, no, I ain't got a guy for that. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to teach you guys how to play this super cool song that I recently heard and learned. So let's get right into it. This is how to play Guy for That by Post Malone and Luke Combs. I'm going to show you 3 different ways to strum it. A super easy way, a little bit harder way, and then the way that I think actually sounds the best. This is how to play with the chords. Okay, so this is going to be pretty good for beginners and everyone. So if you want to see all the different ways to strum it and stuff, stick with me through the end. All right. So let's get into it. So the tuning for this is standard, and then you're gonna have a capo on the 1st fret. Now you can see, just so no one freaks out at me in the comments, I have a capo on the 2nd fret. That's just because this guitar is tuned a half step down. So if you do that, you can just put it on the 2nd fret. But if it's in normal tuning, if it's in standard tuning, you can just put it on the 1st fret, okay? So you're only gonna play a handful of chords in this song, all right? So you're gonna play D, okay? You're also gonna play B minor. You're gonna play G, okay, A, and you're also gonna play this one, E minor. Okay, so let's get into it. So the way that the chord progression goes for the intro is D, B minor, G, A. And you repeat that twice, okay? Now, it's going to sound like this. So the 3 different ways you can strum this are, the easiest one is you just do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, over and over. So you'd be down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so that's the easiest way to do it, and you can totally do that. All right. Another one is you can do a down strum and then like a little hesitation and then down, up, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, that's the 2nd easiest. Okay, and then the other one is you can do down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. One more time slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, that's the hardest one. Do whichever one works for you. Mix them up if you want, whatever. I personally think it sounds the best with the 3rd one, especially for the verses, but you could even palm mute the verses, whatever you want. So, all right, so that's the intro. And for the intro, I would recommend you just try and play these last 3 strings, okay? Just the bottom 3. And same for the verses, okay? So for the verse, you do, for the intro, you do D, B minor, G, A. Do that twice with no lyrics. Then when you get into the verse, do D. So, I got a guy inside my, so to sight my rifle is gonna be B minor, that's where you're gonna switch. I got a guy to sight. So sight my rifle, sight is where you switch to B minor. Sight my rifle, my mama's. So mama's is where you do G. Mama's new boyfriend, Re. So on rebinds is where you're gonna do E minor. Rebinds bubbles, okay? Rebinds bubbles, Ricky. So Ricky is where you do D. Ricky down the road, he re-souls. So re-souls is where you do B minor. Re-souls, Red Wings, hell. So at kind of halfway through hell, you're gonna do G. Hell, I got a guy for every. So every is where you do E minor. Every dang thing. He says down, but every dang thing. Every dang thing. Oh. Okay, so O you're gonna do D, and you're actually gonna switch to B minor on O. Oh. Oh, that's where you're gonna go to B minor. Oh, that ain't exactly what I'm looking. So looking is G. Looking for, cause I'm looking for. And I would just do a single strum on E minor. Looking for someone. Now the chord progression is only slightly different for the chorus, okay? So you're gonna do someone put ties back in. So it's still B, it's D, B minor, G, A. Okay, so you're gonna do that for the whole chorus. You're just gonna repeat it. Someone put ties back in drive, and if they don't, then I see that? So D is someone to put her tires back in. So into is B minor. Into drive, and if is where you do G. If they don't, then I is A. I just might lose is D. Lose what's left of mine. Never is B minor. Never loving mine. I'm dang her down, down to my. So my is where you switch to A. My last time, D. I'm pretty good at breaking down. Down is B minor. Down a heart, but picking. So picking is G. Picking up the pieces is the hard part. So hard is A. Hard part. She's searching. She's searching is where you do D. Searching for someone who. So whose is B minor? Who's gonna build it back? Back is A. Oh, sorry, back is G. Back. But I would actually probably, if you're doing it acoustically, just do it a single strum. I ain't got a, so I is where you do A. I ain't got a guy for that. And then after that you do D, and you're just gonna do the same thing you just did. Ain't got a guy for that. Okay, and then you switch after that, you go to B minor. Ain't got a guy for that. And then after that you're gonna switch to G. Ain't got a guy for that. Ain't got a guy for that. So then you switch to A. Ain't got a guy for that. And then you're gonna go back into the verses just like you did before, okay? So that's literally how you play the entire song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything in the comments, if there's other songs you want to learn and stuff like that. I'm more than happy to oblige if I can. And thanks for tuning in. I hope that you'll subscribe and see more guitar lessons. All right, thanks guys.